Today, I'm going to show you how to use this project planner document with an automated Gantt view. I'm going to start by entering the project title. I'm going to use this document as a status sheet, but you can use it for individual projects as well. I'm going to enter the start date, which I'll put today's date, and you'll notice the Gantt view automatically updates. You'll notice that this status sheet always starts on a Monday, but today's date is outlined in red. Display week is how you'll view each week of your project. For example, that's week 2, which will start next week. I'll display week 1 for now. To start, I'm going to enter all of my projects into this worksheet. This sheet can hold up to 50 projects. Then you can add your descriptions and who each project is assigned to. Now for the fun part. For each project, I'm going to add the start and end date. You'll notice the project duration automatically displays on the Gantt view based on the start and end date. Let's say I've already started some projects and they're in progress. In the progress column, I'm going to enter the progress percentage and you'll see it automatically shades part of the Gantt view bar. This will help you easily visualize how far you are on each project. And that's it. I hope you like this tutorial and you can get your project planner with this Gantt view using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.